All right, guys, we are at McDonald's because I sold this Kryptonix longboard. I had a bunch of comments in my video where I picked this up saying this was a terrible longboard, and it kind of was, but I picked up two longboards, and the one that everybody said was really good is still sitting in my garage, and this one I just sold for $20. I'm meeting the guy here at this McDonald's. He's working right now, so he should be coming out any minute. I paid $5, sold it for $20, $15 profit. All it did was sit in my garage. The other one that's better, that I paid a little bit more for, around the same price, is still sitting, and I've dropped that price down close to this one. So you never know. You just never know. I'm happy with the $15 profit for doing basically nothing besides bringing it to my garage and leaving it in the corner. So would I do it again? Maybe. I mean, it took 2 months to sell for 15 bucks, but hey, if you buy 100 of these $5 longboards, you could probably make some pretty decent money selling them locally. I don't know. Don't take my advice on that. I probably wouldn't do that. Hey, awesome. Thanks, man. Oh. Sweet. There you go, dude. Cool. Have a good one. What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here, pulling on into a Goodwill. I've been here once before. It's kind of a new Goodwill, but we're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. I'm stoked. I'm parking right here. Looks great. Let's go. And I've only been here once, so who knows how it's gonna be this time. It was pretty good the one time I came. I found a whole bunch of sealed media and some toys and stuff, so hopefully this time's just as good. Let's go. All right, so the media section's always pretty packed at this place, and first thing I noticed when I came over was a whole bunch of anime DVDs, and I already scanned through all of them. I left a bunch behind that just weren't worth it, and I'll show you guys what I have in the cart. Right here, we got a whole bunch of goodies. Lots of good stuff, all $1.99 each. They're all in there. And I got one Alvin and Chipmunks VHS tape. But I'll pop a couple prices up here on the screen so you guys can see what some of these are going for. Pretty insane. Definitely gonna make some great money on this stuff. And I'm just gonna keep checking through the media. I'm not seeing anything else looking that good. Dead Man Walking, I doubt that's anything, but I'll look into it. I've never seen that one. And yeah, we'll have to go check out the rest of the store. All right, we are in the toy section right now, and I found a few really good things. We have a brand new sealed Survivor game for $4. I'll pop the price up here. It's going for about $55. Pretty awesome find right there. We also have a brand new sealed Wits and Wagers game for $5. I actually didn't look it up, so you guys will see the price right here. I assume it's good. I've sold very similar games to this before. And then this I have to count pieces on. It's super heavy, Fog of Love, selling for about 50 bucks as well. So some really great finds. Sounds like there's a lot of pieces in there, so might not be the most fun to count. But for 50 bucks, I think it's worth it. What do we have down here? This is different. It's sealed. Sesame Street game. It was at Barnes & Noble, 50% off of 16. They're asking for. Well, let's look it up together. So I have my Amazon seller app opened up right here, and we're gonna hit the little camera icon, scan the barcode, and it's not on Amazon. Interesting. We'll try taking a picture of the front. You could do that as well with the camera. See if something comes up. Nope, nothing. I double checked it on eBay and it's selling for about 15-20 bucks with free shipping, so it's not going to be worth it. We're going to leave it behind. It's super rare that I have found just miscellaneous items that are worth it at the thrift store lately, and we have this kind of car gear thing. I looked it up on Amazon. Has a great rank. Brand new, it's selling for 100. Used, it's selling for 64. I'd make $47 on it. They're asking $10 here, as you can see right there, $9.99. And you can see this little thing down here that says you cannot sell this product in used condition. I got a little nervous. I clicked on it, but you can sell it in very good condition, which this is. It's actually brand new sealed on the inside. I just have to use a heat gun and take that big sticker off the front, and it would easily sell in very good condition. So that's a quick, you know, minus my 10, a quick $37. Yeah, I'll take it. We also found a few more miscellaneous items here. A brand new Wilton cookie pan for $3.99. Get about 20 bucks for that. And up here we have a litter genie. I've never seen those before. Something fell over there. Luckily I didn't touch it. But litter genie selling for, I think, 20 bucks, and it's only $1.99. What a price. I'll take it. That's easy money. Alright, this is kind of cool. We have a Harry Potter invisibility cloak for $6. I'll pop the price up here so you guys can see it. I think I'm going to try this thing out. I think you just download an app. Yeah, you have to download an app and it makes you invisible. So I think we'll mess with that. And I also found another game right here, Chronology, 20th anniversary. I have no idea, but it's only $3. I'll make like $5, $6 on it. I think we're pretty good. You know, I still haven't looked this up, so I still don't know. I'm gonna have to look that up now. And then I think we're gonna head out. I think I found enough stuff here. Oh, I didn't even show you. I found some CDs also. You know, CDs can do pretty good. I only like to look at the sealed ones. Otherwise, I'll just be scanning forever. They're $1.99 each. You know, Lee Greenwood there, Trick Pony, and Bobby Bear, The Moon Was Blue. Easy money. I'll take them. And yeah, I think we're gonna have to head out. What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of a Goodwill I've never been to before. Let's head inside and see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's go. So it's a new Goodwill, but not really. This is the Goodwill that I used to go to. It was a tiny one all the way back down there. But they just moved locations, so it's a bigger store, hopefully with more stuff. Oh, look at the floors. Fancy. They got some media over here. Lots of carts. It smells like, I don't even know, sunscreen or something for some reason. What's this? Bent? That looks interesting. We'll see if there's anything valuable here. Oh, I always love finding these brand new. The Great Courses. This might be something good. So I'll do a little scanning and I'll let you guys know. Alright, in the little toy section, we got some Pass the Pigs. I grew up playing this version of Pass the Pigs with my mom all the time, and it's only $2. That is a steal of a deal. I might keep it, but just in case, I'll show you guys what it sells for. I think I could make like 10 bucks on it, so hey, that's not terrible. I also did find a whole bunch, I also did find a whole bunch of movies that were worth it. We have some brand new TV series, brand new DVDs, even a VHS, so pretty sweet. I will definitely take those and keep looking through the toy section. Also, this Goodwill is doing 50% off blue and red. They're doing 2 different tags. I love when thrift stores give me more discounts. Alright, this is kind of interesting. We have a Cranium Family Fun. It's brand new, half off of 8, so it's $4. It actually does not sell on Amazon at all, and on eBay it sells for about 20 bucks, so not that great. But I have a Cranium game that's used that sells for a good amount of money. I can't remember the name of it, but it's sitting on my shelf at home because I needed this thing of clay, and I was gonna buy some on eBay, but I just didn't yet. So I could just open this up and take the clay out and put it in the game that I need. So for $4, I now have a complete version of a game that I think sells for $60 or $70. So that is awesome. I'll buy that to complete a different game. Why not? I do that every once in a while. Alright, so I noticed this Ticket to Ride game. Sadly, this brand, Days of Wonder, is restricted on Amazon. You could sell it on eBay if it was a couple bucks, but they're asking $8. It says right up there, I know it's not really showing up. It says $8, which is a little too expensive. On eBay, you get about 15 bucks for it plus shipping, so it's just not really worth the hassle. It'd be good for a personal buy, but this one over it, I almost just left it. I'm like, there's no way this is worth anything, wise and otherwise. But, you know, I always preach scan everything. I scanned it in, it's $5. Here it is on Amazon, pretty decent rank, lots of reviews, brand new, $125. Used, almost $60. It's crazy. So now I have to count it, make sure the pieces are in there, but that is a score. All right, checking out down below here, there is this random nursery thing. I don't know, it didn't look like it was worth anything. 20 bucks, but it's half off, meaning it sat here for at least a week or two. Oh, it says right there, August 16th. So what day is it today? Today is the 27th. So it sat for 11 days in here, so they have it half off. And it's brand new sealed. It still has the original factory sticker on it. And I scanned it into Amazon, and guys, holy moly, take a look at this. Has a great rank, lots of reviews, $160. I'm paying 10, I'm gonna make 118. That is what I call an ultimate score. Super happy, finding lots of great stuff in here. I am glad I came.